think we get hammered with windstorms. Just watch this. Look at those treetops. Take a quick walk through it because the rain, I can see the rain in the distance. I'll walk down my driveway here. Yeah, just watch the wind whip these trees. It's not as bad as the big cell that moved over top of us the other day, but this baby here's got some wind with it. We're going to get a good rain out of this, and that's good. The people's crops could use it. Get out to the road here. Alright. There's the railway. So right down there's the train station. There we go. Thanks for watching.